Minoxidil and Tretinoin are both drying agents, and if you suddenly start dealing with flakes and dandruff, your scalp isn't necessarily rejecting the treatment. It might just be dry and clogged. Today I'm showing you how I use a gentle toothbrush and a Selsun 2.5% to gently scrub my scalp and keep it clean. I do this on wash days once a week. Sometimes I'm lazy and I'm supposed to wash my whole hair, but for now I am concentrating on the front of my hair. You want to use a soft toothbrush, not hard, brittle, and just a small amount of Selsun. Then on a damp scalp, I add a drop of Selsun on my hands and then use the toothbrush to scrub off or focus on the flaky, itchy area. After a few minutes, I rinse with lukewarm or cold water and then I shampoo. I let the Selsun 2.5% rest on my hair for 10 minutes before I wash it off. Then after a while, I then apply my Minoxidil and Tretinoin. This keeps my scalp dry so that the treatment works better and it stays flake-free. This is just my routine. It's not a medical advice, but check with your dermatologist. But this is the way I keep my front dry and it's not flaky, because Minoxidil and Tretinoin are two agents that dry the skin. If you want to follow me for more information and more routine on how to take care of your hair while on Minoxidil, please follow my channel. Bye.